Tag. I tagged her already. How come?
I'm sorry. Okay, I will. Wait. Don't let it come down.
See, Grandma is gonna sit now.
Tag.
Mommy, you eat.
What is that, bro?
Tag. Tag.
Tag.
Tag. Tag. I tag you. So who's I'm tagging then?
Oh, no.
Tag. Tag. Tag.
Tag.
Tag. She's coming.
Team Mom.
Team.
Yeah. Mama, not time yet. I'm for you.
Julin, umayos ka dyan. Wow. No, I need to do... Jilana, I have to do my video. We're waiting for Daddy. Ganda ng panahon, guys. Ganda ng panahon. Kumusta na, Mikay? Saan ka na, Mikay? Saan na si Mikay? Balita sa'yo. Hello, Chay. Shalane, ayan. Ganda ng panahon, guys. Busy. Busy sa buhay. Grabe, oy. Busy sa trabaho. Ayan, ito na lang yan. Hello, MJ. Si Jade, nagbe-baseball. Don't do that tag now. Just jump, anak. It's no fun tagging without Daddy. Saan ka na, Mikay? Tag-ulan? Oo nga, summer dito ngayon. Minsan may ulan din. Andun si Grandma. Oh, wow. I'll go visit with Grandma. Work. Okay, work. That's good. Trabaho. Oo nga, trabaho. Walang kailangan magtrabaho talaga, guys. Basta may makakuha ng extra, go for it. Yan. Andun sila na. Touch, Grandma. No, it's okay. I thank you, MJ. Oh, did Daddy put it higher? Why you cannot get in?
It's too high.
Why? Who put it higher? Oh, there you go. Bakit di ka maka... Oh. Buti nilinisan mo yun. Maghapon mong ginawa?
Maghapon lang. Paano hindi man lang niya inyo?
Eh, paano matrabaho naman yun?
He's too there.
Parang maganda sana makita yung